Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Doppelganger Spider-Man. Just arrived today, and I'm really excited to open it and, well, do some animation with it. And I just downloaded the animation studio, so I'm probably going to be uploading a lot of stop motion animation. Let's get unboxing. Okay, first I need to open it. Okay. It'll take a while. Sec. I'm really excited to open this up. First, I'm going to be reviewing the Molten Man hand. Comes with this. Of course, if you collect enough, you can build Molten Man. As it says on the box. Molten Man figure. I like the detail for it and the rod sticking out. Also like the golden texture to it. And that's all for the hand. Now it's unboxed. Okay, here he is. Okay. Go. Has movable arms. It's kind of stiff though. Just got it out. Like the hands and the webby texture. Also the teeth look very, very scary. And also the feet, pretty web-like, I guess. And then here are his two real hands. So there's good head movement for it, arm movement, and there you can move the legs. So there's also obviously the logo here, and that's about it. Spider-Man there. Even though I wish that came with like webs that you could somehow shoot. Could really upgrade that. But I also love the detail on the eyes and the teeth. That's about it. See you later, guys.